How to see a list of people that you are following on your TikTok account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can find all of the people that are on your following list in your TikTok account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok application from your device. And first of all, get logged into your TikTok account. In order to see the people that you are following, tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Below your profile, you will see following, followers, and likes. Tap onto following list. Then you will be able to see all the people that you are following. In case you would like to search for people's name in order to see that you are following them or not, type in their name at the top search bar and you will be able to see them. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.